Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about deck control valve for Fisher Mfg part number 2500. The motor for Royal Range part number 2500 is a direct drive motor designed to power commercial cooking equipment. It is a single-phase 115V, 60 Hz, 1/3 HP motor with a maximum speed of 1725 RPM. The motor has an open drip-proof enclosure and is thermally protected. It features a 5/8 diameter shaft and comes with mounting hardware. This motor is designed to be used with Royal Range models RRS-24, RRS-36, RRS-48, and RRS-60. It can also be used with other brands of commercial cooking equipment that require a 1/3 HP motor. This part fixes the following symptoms. The Royal Range part number 2500 is a motor for a range hood. It is not designed to fix any symptoms, but rather to replace an existing motor that may be malfunctioning. Here is how you install this part. M1. Unpack the motor and inspect for any damage. 2. Locate the mounting holes on the motor and secure it to the Royal Range with appropriate screws. 3. Connect the power supply to the motor, making sure that all connections are secure and tight. 4. Connect the wiring harness from the motor to the Royal Range, following all instructions provided in the manual. 5. Test that the motor is working properly by turning it on and off several times, making sure that it is running smoothly and without any issues. 6. Once you have confirmed that everything is, you can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.